So today we're going to talk about how you can bring any of the 300 plus million images from Google that you might be searching on Pinterest or Google Images straight into the image editing software within the app. It's a very innovative concept, allowing you to or your customer to sit down and change any of the images. I have saved a couple of images in my library from Pinterest, and I'm going to bring them up right into my load image into my app Custom Studio. As you can see, that image is actually starting to load up, and this is the original image. Keep this in mind as a visual. We're going to completely modify this. I'm thinking of the stone that I really want to put in is going to be an oval, and I want to put in like a pink sapphire in the center, and I'm going to add the stone. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it up because that's the stone that I want. I'm going to go ahead and rotate it out, and I'm going to bring it over on the top of this image right up here and place it in a spot that is perfectly made for it. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and add a halo to this, it's so easy as adding a halo. If I wanted to add a pink gold halo, I can actually select from white, yellow, or pink options. I'm going to choose pink as a halo. I'm going to select the halo head that I want. The halo head is right up there. I'm going to move it over here, and I'm going to adjust it out into terms of where I want to. It's slightly oval that my stone is, so I'm going to stretch it out just a little bit more in terms of where it is going. I'm going to take that stone right up back and put it where it is. I will go ahead and adjust it slightly in terms of where it is so it looks oval, and I will take it and change it to the correct position and rotate it like it needs to go onto that ring. Now I just made that simple ring into an oval halo pink sapphire ring. If I wanted to add a sprinkle of pink round stones into the ring, it would be as simple as me selecting the stones. I've already selected the color. I will go ahead and add the stones, and I want to do a flare of pink, and I want a little tiny melee going in into the corner up here, which would be perfect in this ring or on the shank randomly placed up. And since this is a little bit too large, I want it a little bit smaller than that. I can start positioning my melee as I go along. If I wanted the other side to be a diamond, I can select the shape to be a diamond right up there in the color and add a stone. Same way, I can just go ahead and do random shapes of the stone. I can bring them into as small as I need to, and I can go ahead and place it right up here where I want to and complement the ring in terms of where it's going in through. Or I could bring it and say, you know, I want it side by side, randomly spaced out on that ring, and I have a diamond in there. So very simple changes can be very easily done. I can bring in any image. I can add text. I can draw tools. I can add text to the size that I need this in a size 7, you know, and I can just simply add that right up there as an add text. It shows up right up there. I can reposition my text to wherever I want it to be. I can also make changes and use the draw tool to mark my changes as where I want to in terms of an arrow. If I wanted something differently done up here, I can just easily activate the draw tool and mark my arrow right up here in terms of what I need to do. And I can write down my changes into add text and say, you know, different pattern design, and add text and bring it right next to my arrow where it's going to be pointing out towards. Custom Studio is going to phenomenally help make changes to any of the 300 plus million images on the internet. Thank you for watching this video, and welcome to a brand new platform.